Now, this has been a really unique General Assembly. We had the Youth Summit first. They brought energy into the room. Then we had the Climate Summit, where the Secretary General had asked that people should come to make commitments, stretch ambition, and show what actions they are taking. There's a true urgency of now. We have to have everyone step up. That includes the private sector, that includes governments, it includes everyone. And what we saw here was action. We saw the banks making commitments to the principle of responsible banking. We saw new commitments for the Asset Owners Alliance. This is massive because that shows that the financial sector is stretching and making an impact. That makes a difference because what we need to do now is to decarbonize our economies. But while we are decarbonizing, what do we need? We need that friend called nature. We need to invest in nature because when we do, nature invests in us. And so what we saw also was a real stepping up of nature-based solutions. So as we close this United Nations General Assembly here in New York City, last night we had the Champions of the Earth Awards. This is the United Nations' finest environmental awards ceremony. We had a magnificent celebration of those individuals, young companies, countries that are stepping in on climate action, stepping in on nature protection, stepping in on making a difference. So all in all, as we close the General Assembly, as we strive towards the Sustainable Development Goals, we have much to do. We leave here for New York City, we are packing our bags, but we are packing them with ambition, commitment, innovation, imagination, and we are packing them with absolute resolute decision and determination to make a difference.